Hey guys, it's Tiffany from SuperEasyMath.com. Today's math problem of the day says, what is the hypotenuse of a right triangle with legs of lengths of 5 meters and 8 meters? Well, I always like to draw my shapes whenever I'm talking about it because it just visually helps me out when I can see it. Whenever I'm dealing with a right triangle, I always like to clarify the 90-degree corner. So right here, I'm going to draw the little box and draw 90. Then I'll write my 5 here for the 5 meters and 8 here for the 8 meters. It doesn't matter which side you write it on because you could always show your triangle like pointed in a different direction. So you could write the 8 at the bottom, at the top side. It doesn't matter. As long as diagonally across from the 90-degree mark, that is your hypotenuse, or h in this case. Now we want to use the Pythagorean theorem to solve this. So we remember that a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Well, A we'll call 5, B we'll call the 8, and then the C is the hypotenuse, so we're just going to leave it as C. So 5 times 5 is 25, plus 8 times 8 is 64, which equals C squared. So this is 89 C squared. Well, I need to take the square root of both sides, and so to be exact, I could say the square root of 89 equals the hypotenuse, or I could try to estimate this, or I could type it into a calculator. If you were to type it into a calculator, you would get 9.4. So that means the length of this longer side is 9.4 meters, which makes sense because if the 5 is like this and the 8 is like this one is a little longer, so around 9.4 seems right. Here's tomorrow's math problem of the day. See if you can solve it on your own before I do. But come back tomorrow to see what I did to get the answer correct. And don't forget, you can grab the rest of my math videos on my website, supereasymath.com, where I teach everything in order with notes the way you need it.